first graders. It's Friday, which means we need to do the Friday song. So stand up. Yep, get up from the couch, get up from your bed, the kitchen table, wherever you are, stand up. You two parents, grandma, grandpa, babysitter, whoever you're with, we are going to celebrate that. Today is Friday, and every Friday, my crew always sings the Friday song. So let's all stand up. I'm going to stay sitting just because you won't be able to see me if I stand up. So let's do it. You ready? One, two, three. It's Friday. It's Friday. I'm so happy it's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. I'm so happy it's Friday. We did it, guys. Awesome job. You just got to get through today's schedule and then the weekend begins. Bye, first graders.